guys, this is Satoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Touchable Mama page. You can also see me on Touchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
Hello, my people. There is something I saw on the streets of Facebook, and I was like, oh no, not be everybody way. You never can know what people go through in their private life. You never can know what is that command in their life that is making these things, make them misbehave, make them live a certain lifestyle. You never can tell. Now, this Europe, everybody wear clothes. You don't know what clothes cover for their body. You understand? That's why I come this afternoon. Come send message to Precious Meg. You understand? May I come send message to Precious Meg? If our friends cannot tell her, our enemies cannot tell her, let me tell her the truth and nothing but the truth. And that is why I'm not come here for quarrel. I just come here, come send message across to Precious Meg, because I think it's important. You understand? This is really getting too much. They say, you understand? So I want to make una listen to this audio. Make I just send my message to Precious Meg, and that's it. I get cooking to do in the next few minutes. In the next 1 hour, I got to start cooking. It's Saturday. Saturday is very busy for me. So, my people, make una listen to this audio. If you dey hear me, thumbs up the video. Okay, which I know you guys can hear me very well. Thumbs up the video and comments. Make una listen to this. First of all, this audio, this number one, this first audio. I want una listen. Okay, where my message they come from to Precious Meg. Now I want play so. Wanna listen? Okay. Yeah, this one. Okay.
Precious Meg.
Okay. Wanna listen? Wanna listen? Let me play it.
Precious Meg. Double my call me video call. Mais mon aïe derrière ni pouvait, il m'a aidé où, la candidat qui vous dit. J'ai mon oublié à 20 boys. Precious Meg, mais il y a 20 boys là. À la mienne, où m'a call me video call.
Abeg, make I tell now they talk. This one are Frank Victor, okay? Frank Victor, my voice man they hear, okay? May I play? Okay, Mona listen.
My call me video call. Mais mon aïe derrière ni pouvait, il m'a aidé où, la candidat qui vous dit. J'ai mon oublié à 20 boys. Precious Meg, mais il y a 20 boys là. À la mienne, où m'a call me video call. Mais mon bien, il y a quelqu'un qui est bien où le y'a. Où a call me video call, il voit y avoir un petit peu, où il y a un flower, il peut y voir. Mais c'est une carte, c'est bon, pas y avoir fait non, il faut y voir. Respect. Où a été le video call, il y a ma où est le video call. Mais n'est que derrière mon bête. On a derrière le on a été le video call. And my wife never see. No need our color. First thing you want on the bed, not to share this video. You don't want to see what you get. You see that now, all those political see. You will open here, you open. The hand will be like this. Don't cut breast like this. They come like this. Cut here breast like this. You understand? Here we don't bring go together. Bring we don't go ground. Breast in you know, one more. Then you don't do anything. You stand. If you stand there, you see where they here. You see where this one. So you see where the long wish. I see where to not be tight. I see not be normal shit. I see where they able to be. Now here the long wish. Now I use this shit.
Please thumbs up the video. My name is Rosie. I greet you.
This is not my single.
Good afternoon.
See the colors can make. First, we're going to tiny hand, that tiny white singlet. Organize white, organize like this axis color. All doing it now. Yeah? You cut the dress half. You see the corner of bush here, so like here like this. You see it. 2018, that's all they say. So the second person will see that. And we will come every year here. But you up babu here, you know. Any area somewhere, that's it start. That's why I keep both the color where but one call, you don't look for this. Do also this like purposely. It will come from video call. She will handful, carry face, bush, or an Arab. The son, very like you hand, no one's a match. You know that much, I don't know much. All the food I have. As I see him, very shocking. The first thing she did, I was with a woman in Germany in 2018. If you need to know it also, that woman will say, you get 2 girls. Where I deal with better training. And those 2 girls, 2 beautiful girls. All Barowa, they palo. I was speaking now with you. When you got that, as you do and boom, you see, it first shocked me. First attend to this one, whenever I talk for audio, we talk about how she appreciates me for standing for her. Say, how can a person, when you get girls who make me, I don't know, they use follow me like me used to do what they cook for you. Do that video. And that's what they call me. That was like, when my mobile called me. See my way I failed. This time, where I call for a place black home, there. And this one called me, we talk for audio finish. Because you know, people wearing fit to the master, you're very free. I'm not getting for video call. You meanwhile, they will be win again and it's going to a boy in Boko. Ufuye po, tomatoes. Now, look up. I began now. I just feel the eyes, I just chill. After all, my name for us. This one, I'm not making making you so bad. Presume not for me. And when I'm going to bless you, I'm going to follow you from. I'm going to go there. I'm going to see you first because I reach my before. I never get page. My page now 2019 I open page. Nothing never get page. Now so go on the scratch like this one. And the shape me lapa. He came to me when I want to you know that it's one win. Listen, when I come, they look for the for page. Now I know I'm first push pressure spray here down. Stand up. Let's make you see this the length of this the singlet which is the length very long which I will pack the booty out. I know why they lap your arm. They lap your right. Take her the phone, she don't do the phone because she don't really hear say woman they come. But I was thinking I get those 2 children with the woman. I mean the woman on for. You understand me? Because I see from record saying they never put yes or no because I know we have one video, I don't snap, I don't know this. I don't snap and I don't record. If anyone saying get away, presenting the open body for me, now you know why take any proof. I don't record what you smell, I don't screenshot what you smell. You understand? I say just be. You know, yes, when I continue, I'm a sharp guy and you know they don't know the story now. But I'm not just starting no matter what. Since the people coming for video call, not only toasting, not only the flowing, they continue. Now it's one flow normally. Me, for those who know me, those are not video call. People who know me, they know it's not even in our color one. Woman, I see the team. I don't get that time. Now see the call. You want to be all easy. As a single man, I don't know. You want to come here. It can't even make money to you. You want or you don't even want to here. He's okay. I get you know you are going to imagine the give money. You will call him very no, he never shall because on it back. Sister, no friend the government. No, I beg immigrants, immigrants in the I don't know, I beg you. What is shame? What is shame? Brethren, what is shame? Yes.
My people, when I hear the from Victor voice, waiting from Victor talk for the sake of those who not they understand Benin or Edo language. From Victor say they explain how Precious Meg take contact her, begin show her breast, begin show her Bekus for video call. And since 2018, this one a Precious Meg wey be say it always they use one word. She gallant. She too gallant. She too gallant. How she take gallant? She always boast of gallant, being gallant. Just imagine, even from Victor, even use their the enemy of their. I don't know whether I was saying that their children they say swear. I don't know what it concern children concern Bekus where they show or breast where they show where they say they swear. I don't feel say it makes sense. Many people they use their children till they swear over nonsense. What not make sense. That's by the way. From Victor use our children, both born and unborn, they swear. Say Precious Meg Shuan Bekus. Precious Meg Shuan breast. Now so Precious Meg they use video call disturb her. They always they call her. They always they seduce her or whatsoever. Okay, that's by the way. If you ask me, mommy love, you believe now 50-50. If not true, because I don't know, because I don't know what the person go. I don't know. 50-50 in the sense that because of the swear where they use their children to swear. Even the same Precious Meg, if we even use our own children swear over this issue where they talk so, where we listen to so, waiting for fit or talk. I say use breast and Bekus to the show her for video call. Now, that's by the way. Somebody say, now wow, Precious Meg. Okay, babe Patrick, you are welcome. Are you there? Okay, that's by the way. You see, this is a very shameful thing. Even to the extent, I watched the video where From Victor do. From Victor even show play some voice, their personal voice notes, voice recording. Time not permit me to go into all those, to play everything here. From Victor even play some voice conversations, meaning they were in contact. You understand me? But this one a person will be say, once upon a time, this From Victor does saga this Precious Meg many times. Then I dey ask myself, where is the gallancy? I mean, that gallant. Where you there for Precious Meg body? Where you there for your body, my lady? Precious Meg, where you there? I don't know why be say this Precious Meg, you are just too fond of going back to your vomit. This Precious Meg just too dey fond of Andre face, like the way they call her. Andre face kind of person. Now so you do follow a better. Yes, so she be better popio, she be popio, she like camo, she too love a better, she too love a better. As of that time, I couldn't dey in shock, like what? This one a Precious Meg. That time two video even they talk and say, hell God, thank God say these people they know they go in show the house. Therefore they buy themselves on a daily basis. because the pretense is just too much. The hypocrisy is just too much on them. This one, precious make we say, don't call me, follow me, come buy products. I know what you talk about Ekobete and Lolo. When I could see the fakeness of I love Ekobete, I love her, I love Monica, Monica my sister, Monica my sister. I was like, Jesus, I was shockalized. How can you are saying one thing in the open, secretly is another thing in your heart? What's the point? What's the need of all this pretense? What is it all about? That time I can't do it. I can say, hey, God, this one a pretense. Make them stop them. Although I not too fear because they know they go and shut the house. They know they go and shut the house. Even when Precious Name won't do birthday, Monica not risk and go. Now me Monica can't call say I beg, I go pay your flight ticket. Help me go represent. I say, for my man, I say, well, you know how they do that kind of nonsense. Now I say, I'll check ticket because Billy said, no go back money up the go. I'll check tickets. Now I said the flights, the transit and all, I can't face those stress. Oh, okay. Because I know I'll go help you represent. Me and you not close, rich like that, Echo Betty. Now I turn that nonsense down. Because when Echo Betty the 5 when one representative for a make party, because Echo Betty no say if you go or your poison theater body. Because these people know that they are pretending to themselves. This I love you. Oh, my paddy. Oh, my enemy, my sister. They're not pretense. Not pretend they know. Precious Mate said, my God, wait till tell me not important at this time. Make I just ignore that one. You understand? But me see the pretense where be say, I know it Precious Mate tell me about these people. When she come, me with her not be friend, I don't know her before, I not send any of them. She come buy market from business, from product, she enter talk. Me, I'm a good listener. I will listen. She talk. When they see the fake love outside, I was like, what is this? Why all this pretense now? I don't understand. What for? You don't need to fear Beku's gonna do the vaganyash now. It don't make sense. What you like, what you hate, what you dislike, you dislike. It's as simple as ABCD. If you claim you are gallant, you should be able to know what you want and what you don't want. There's no need of pretense at all. Adebiola, I greet you. He say, "Una good afternoon. Me not believe that evil man. He too dey lie. Now every woman open." But this one they use Pikiti, they swear on top of the Bekus and the whatever. That one, of course, they get me thinking like, what's going on? I know say these people, they lie. Yeah, they lie. But what about the evidence and the audios this Frank was playing that I listened to some extent? How about that? How about that? And don't forget, Gina greets you. Don't forget, this is Precious Meg, where we say Precious Meg get one dirty character. Where they're so obvious and it they're too open to people to notice and people to know, to see, to not see in her. She get this kind, she even do it to me. She get this dirty character, this judgeability, eye service, judgeability kind of character. Notice me kind of. She gets on too much. When I get issue with disgrace, now so she just see wrong. Go there do judgeability. She just see wrong. Now, I don't know what happened. I can't do video. I don't know. Why in the midst of the video I did too, I can't whether I measure her name or something like that. She can't run call me. This girl, Precious Meg, obviously na 100 face it be. She can't run call me. The same disgrace when she they support. When she go draw near, they give right on. When me and disgrace they saga each other, they give right on. Oh yeah, oh yo. She not this kind of Precious Meg. Anybody will be like Precious Meg, fear that the worst past snake. The worst past snake. You know if you get there for friend, you tell yourself say you get friend. You know if you get there for brother, you tell yourself say you get brother. Or you get there for sister, say you get. You even get there for mama, me say you get mama. Because this kind of people, they can do pepper there, notice me, judgeability, and even betray their own self. Yes. She do it. The time of me and disgrace matter. She do it. When she see say I mention her, she run call me. Hey, mommy love, you know say you are my sister. Now say my old DG. You are old sister. Now say stop the nonsense you are doing. That's all I know. Stop it. If I face you, you no go like her. That time I can't warn her. That's so she begin explain herself. The same disgrace when she dey clap her follow. She still use one or two words to condemn that one in my very ear. Why talking to me on phone? This woman, this lady is just kind of, she just is. I don't know. She get problem. She get problem where she never recognize. Precious Meg get big problem. Something is not right with her. All is not well with this girl. Okay, back to waiting. Imole Victor, I see you, my darling. You are welcome. Back to waiting, I dey talk. Good afternoon, Bella. Tonto, I greet you. I'm not telling you, Bella. I just say I believe. I say it's 50-50. If you didn't hear me, don't please. Okay? Underline that. I say it's 50-50. If you don't know what that means, I can break it down. I say it's 50-50. This day, he showed me this, he showed me that, he showed me this, he showed me that. As if now woman where really gallant, where get dignity. As Favito don't saga Precious Meg rich. Precious Meg even supposed to go even cut that kind of a person or they exchange conversation on WhatsApp or wherever. If that person will get dignity. Like somebody like me, I can't try such nonsense. No way. No way. Do you understand? She not gallant. That words, gallant, I gallant. See, empty gallant, now you gallant, Precious Meg. You not gallant nothing. Because gallant people, they look grand, they put leg. They know they do like a higbo. They zaga everywhere. Ooh, na Precious Meg. For that side, ooh, na Precious Meg. For that side, you would like to call cheap. Precious Meg like to call cheap attention to herself. Very cheap attention. Very cheap kekebo attention. She loves to call it to herself. Ooh, na Precious Meg. Ooh, for this side, na Precious Meg. Ooh, for the other side, na Precious Meg. You know the shame. Whether I don't know what I'll call you, I can't even afford to call you sister, because you are not. Whether I even calling you my lady is somehow kind of disgusting to me. But you know the shame. Precious Meg, you don't get shame. As this Fravito don't wire you rich, beat you rich, you not gallant anything. People were gallant, it get their ways different from your own kind of way. You go leave one group, you go run enter another one. Precious Meg go leave one group. Make a carry comment go as soon as they see na comment. Thank you. You understand that, Bella Tonton? I say it's 50-50 because me, I will be the last person to believe anything 100% on social media, except to give me strong evidence, strong and concrete evidence. If that evidence is not intact 100%, I'm the last person that will believe anything on social media 100%. Yeah. Do you understand? So, what am I trying to say? Precious Meg there with a Kobete for years. They find way to revenge or waiting that one, do that one, test catalyze a life. Do poppy, top poppy, do poppy. On a ground of one day she go lose guide. One day she go lose guide. I go revenge. I go do her. I go destroy her. She was hoping. And she don't know say Monica where she the target. That one no say all this there I love you. Now lips. She don't want know. Monica that it gets sense to some extent. He know. Say na targeting. And that one no lose guide. And precious men, people like precious men, they are very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Believe it or leave it. They are very, very dangerous. They are kind of people that they will be playing with you and they will be destroying you. You're not gonna know where your problem comes from. They're gonna be, they brace you, they're gonna bite you at the same time. You're not gonna understand what they happen to you. You understand? Precious make hope. Is there, you do puppy work, you fake, you do everything, you do judgeability, follow Monica, follow for where? When you see and say, go not go, come not come, not wait to revenge. Now you see your feet poison. Now you see your feet do one or two destruction too. Who you not see? How you wanted one? How you wanted one? It go hard. She switched from that one. Now so she dey call cheap attention to herself when they make her name they rub in the mud. Her name is so dirty. Even she herself, they bring that herself by herself. In so many ways. How can you call yourself a gallant woman? From one group to another group. From one puppy to another puppy. You dey puppy everywhere. Everywhere don't feel beat and zanzana. You see, you don't get dignity. Precious men, you don't get dignity. Go and work on yourself. You don't get dignity. Just let me read history to you now. Eko Betefe beats you, zanzan you, destroy you. You go back to the vomit and you start licking your vomit again. When you say nena no get we, is zanzan you beats you blue black. When you come out for cage of Monica, you enter on. My brother, my brother, my brother, my brother, my brother, my brother. Only they don't work for the third time or the fourth time. You leave from it away, don't beat you for this social media. You run back again, you go and be calling since 2018. And if not be say from it or play her voice, I for not even believe 1%. 1% me, I for not believe. That's why I say it's 50-50. You run back to Frank Victor since 2018. 2018, you don't reconcile with Ekobete and whatever. They are cataracts. Fine. You see this 100 first way they call you. Now he really fits on you. Oh again, how many of you can't? Ritero beats you, curse your papa, curse your mama, curse everything, curse you. Two color royal children when you born, curse everything around you. Now you they do F1, they fun your body. You don't get my lady. Oh, I don't even know if I should call you. No, you're not my lady. I'm sorry to say, it's a slip of tongue. My dear, you are not even qualified to be called a dear. No. What I'll call you now? I don't know what I will call you. Precious Meg. Let me call you by your name. You not get dignity. You not get self-worth. You claim to be gallant, but deep down you are not gallant. Because what you do, gallant people don't rubbish their self. They don't bring down their self the way you rubbish yourself by yourself. That word gallant. Not be by to the which kind, I don't know the type of gallant you they maybe not be the gallant understand the way me know. Not be you they maybe not be down you they refer to. I'm not sure. Maybe na kekeebo gallant pig. You understand whether they call you. Maybe that pig on. Because pig not the bath for very clean. Now we're dirty, we're poto, where they smell. Where moms there, where we say the water where they smell, night pig for the play. That they really fit on you, but I will not call you. Because I come here, I can't advise you. Now, see how you bring down yourself by yourself. Frank of all person. What do I even see for the Frank body? I don't understand. Undocumented Aduro boy, according to how you call her. Why be says some women on this social media? I don't understand. What did they happen? Why be say how many women don't fall victim of this same guy? The one way do, you go come describe their bekus. The one way you see for camera, go come describe her. The one way vomit put leak, he go come describe her. But now never they receive sense. What's so special about Frank? He's a person, he's a human being, I know. But why is it that all these women, look at one way they were sitting that day now, he was also a victim of it. And look at women will be saying they don't stay years abroad. When they say supposed to, they look themselves to on a high stand level to say yes, this is where they belong. Women they go 30 years abroad, but they fool themselves. Why it be say some women for this social media waiting concern Bola, no, this is until they get respect for themselves. Even though your pekus the hunger of Bola, you not go use and know the kind Bola where you go collect. You not go use and know the kind Bola where go bring you what, not disgrace. Are you not in control of your pekus? Is your pekus in control of you? Why? Look at all the women where don't fall victim for this Frank. Will I call it victim? Where don't be here for the Frank, whatever, waiting they carry they go. What is that? A, it happen to her. No, they learn. Make una run for her life. B, it happen. C, it happen. D, it happen. No, they can never learn. They want to go on. Hi, because una don't your year say you say the leak. Now that one they entice una, I don't understand. Now that one they entice una for inside. Because the guy, they say he leak period, he leak this, he leak that. It's a big proud mom, give her an advertisement. Now all of una one dive, one for inside. Now all of them one for inside. The other one, that the way we say, he did my city for you, I was surprised. See as that one, you see big rich. See fall into this nonsense. I don't get her. Precious Meg, see how you always bring yourself down. Let me play this particular one before I go to the other audio. Thank you, Andrew, Mr. Andrew. God bless you, sir. I pity the woman who married that year. Yeah? No, the woman guarantee at least if marry her, guarantee see there. Me, I play him again. Ah, God, women. What God you neck bomber na? Who ekia howe? Who wanna make yagbon? Ekia be ho ekia that is what I want to talk. Ekia no the pride no the pride. Ekia no gun no be ho in the sense that responsible person. Maybe it's not responsible person they carry that bola they go. A man that you know that yes. If they look at front and back, not be nuisance. Not just all bola what's doing. Not be all bola what's doing. If in the hungry you can control yourself. That's where self-control comes in. Because they do tam not missing you just anyhow you open anyhow. Give any kind of person. No. If you do that, where is your dignity as a woman? Where is your self-worth? Where your self-worth? When I listen, may I play this one before I go to Precious Meg voice notes.
Precious Meg may have a boy. And I'm here with my calling me video call. Ne money may be a yakina in Wulo Yao. Who I call the video call, if when you are away at Tintin, who are if flower you believe.
Now, yet this Frank, he used the children to swear. You see, use Frank, Precious Meg children to swear. Over say, if Precious Meg never open pekus for her. For live video, for video call. If Precious Meg never show a nipple for video call, he used children to swear. That's why I say it's 50-50. Me, if you ask me, mommy love you believe 50. Mommy love you not believe 50. Now 50-50. Because all these promiscuous women, where they say they don't know themselves, there's nothing. Even a small picking bola they see, you go quick their open leg. Because they don't get that self-worth. They don't get that dignity to protect. When it comes to Ekia, another area they'll form gallant, but another when it comes to Ekia, they're not gallant anything. They are like pig. They are like dog. They select. They don't care. Whether that mad carry the baller, they don't care. They won't do one. At that point, they won't just do one. It's not good. If woman will not get self-control, it's not good, eh? Even though say they don't circumcise you. That's why this circumcision somehow is still help. It still help. So women can keep themselves and stay and respect themselves. Whether not these uncircumcised ones, they do this kind of thing. Whether I don't know. Because I don't see person when not circumcised, we say now, even dog better person. Whether not that circumcision wahala, 9 people they not circumcised. Respect to no, I don't think all. If that should be the case, not all. Self-control 9 matters. Respect to those who are not circumcised. I'm not condemning it. But some, he still contributes. Why some? He not contribute anything for them to be stupid. They still know themselves and respect themselves. They still get reserve, as in they protect their dignity. You understand? That's all the ones where you see circumcised they so not get dignity, they so not get self-worth, so not get control. So when we say that they won't circumcise them, they do the fact that anyhow they misbehave. Yes, it did. It did. Eh? Eh? You don't see man for live video. The next thing they calculate na the cassava where he carry under. Hell, before you know you're going to enter WhatsApp, enter inbox. Where is your dignity as a woman, precious man? For you to even get contact or relationship on the WhatsApp with this friend Victor where don't beat you blue black, call you all kinds of names, then you are a disgrace. Although you have always done it, that is your way, that is your style. Monica beat you blue black, you went back and become a puppy. And everywhere you they do puppy follow now, the same thing. Many like that. Retain where cause your papa, cause your mama, your generation all put together. The same thing. They use that swear for you that you must submit to others. You must do a puppy under people. You must. That's why confidence good. When one get confidence on themselves. When people are not, what they cause for this girl body, low self-esteem. There are people that they can't be on their own. They don't believe in themselves. They have to call to somebody. They have to go down low. They have to, bring themselves down just to make themselves feel all right. Without that, they cannot be on their own. It's good to, to be friendly. It's good to be friends with people if you want, but not this kind of type. That precious make your name. You always call attention to your name. Cheap attention when we see they bring you shame and disgrace on a daily basis. Are you not ashamed of yourself? You don't get shame. I can imagine you say you be senior daughter. Your younger one will be so, I believe that they will be so ashamed of you. They will be so disappointed at you. The words that comes out from your mouth, your lifestyle, your doings is all shame. It's all shameful. See when you come out for woman mouth. May I play for una? May I play for una? Because I don't want to waste time for this video. Please, guys, send me thumbs up and share if you can. Help me to thumbs up this video, please. May I play woman where claim to be woman? The words of her mouth. A mother for that matter. Let's listen. If you don't value yourself, nobody will value you. Now you put yourself, now you position yourself will determine how people will relate with you. When you already write yourself off to say you'll be nobody, people will treat you as one, that you are a nobody. When you say you are a trash, people will call you trash. Now you put yourself, people will take see just imagine that time. She be Monica Popio, yes, so she the like her, she the enjoy her. Even when people, I know how I'll back. Unoma ayahawa uyomba. You downgrade yourself by yourself. You rubbish yourself by yourself. And your doings always bring you shame and disgrace. Always. Good afternoon, my lady Tessie. Always. Listen to what come out from Precious. I know what's stay long for this video. I'll soon close. Wanna help me thumbs up? A few minutes I just get. Wanna listen to what come out for Precious Meg mouth. And when I play this one finish, I go advise you small. If you go take, if you don't go take, you are used to the month. You can continue to swim in there. But one thing is sure, my dear Precious Meg, you are not gallant. I don't see any gallant in you. You think say to open business for Nigeria, they sell pig, they sell rice. Now it make you gallant. They go party, but when they invite you, but when they don't invite you. Now that one make you gallant. No, far from it. Far from it. But that will make you gallant, eh? Your personality. What can people say about you? Who are you? Do you know your worth? Do you have your values in? Do you hold on to your values? You don't care about you don't have value for yourself, nor care about it. If you do, you will not be calling cheap attention. Everything you won't just look for one way or the other to call cheap attention. Cheap attention that will make people drag you inside the mud that you are swimming. They will be dragging you up and down inside the mud. You'll be dragging you. You just enjoy it. Really? Really? When you do poppy follow for how many years? They look for a way to revenge on her for what she do you. The way your name tastes poor, as a don't do evil rich. The way your name tastes poor, see gets 1% where it sit there. There's 1% okay. But your own, baby say, your own just poor, bata. Your younger ones when they talk to you. You will see get papa and mama for life. They know they advise you. The other day, now talk, they use my talk to you. You carry your mama, your papa, you carry put for last speaker for social media, begin to do your papa question and answering. Shamelessly. You don't get regard for yourself. You don't get regard for your papa and your mama. Over 20,000 naira when they say they give your mama, your papa and me. You bring them, come put their voice on the national TV. Shamelessly. You don't get sense. From the they talk now, they say, now say give you 100,000. But you claim you are gallant. How come people are giving you money when you are broke? When you are stranded? When you say you are gallant? I ask you to sell pig for Nigeria or sell rice, now be gallant. Other people have businesses. You know they go hear for their mouth. You know, but they don't need to announce themselves. They know they use gallant till they sing every day, but they are doing it. Now go tell you, say, man, this one, you get waited day. But you use gallant to sing every day, but they can't find the gallant in you. How you are gallant, people cannot define the gallant you claim you're gallant. People know they see her. The evidence not there your body. Say you gallant. If you go party, you carry AliExpress, €1 chain put for neck. Until they come last, you can't even upgrade small. They carry €5 they put for neck. Wear a buluku. I understand it's your kind of shape. Now, especially being 90, they wear clothes. I can understand that. But where is the gallant in you? Where we say you always doing poppy and licking your vomit on always and all the time. Where we say they call cheap attention to yourself always and all the time. You know they respect yourself. You don't get self-worth. How you can't take gallant? How you take gallant? I want to know. Eh? This weavon way poof way day your neck. This plush weavon way they sell for AliExpress. €30, €40. The thing don't even scatter for your head. The thing don't they cry for freedom. I'm not trying to like, you know, I'm trying to point out some few things. This this thing they say for AliExpress, people were using at that time, they are competent, they don't trade their own. You don't give them freedom. Freedom not allow you give them. Now you carry for head for a Nokia house. Even the this thing don't they bad. You not reach where. I cannot. See me at this airport. I cannot. But clean up now, sister. It must not be human hair. Hair, not be achievement. But at least give something. Give this thing freedom. Make it rest. You claim you gallant, you use and sing. Most see the gallant in you now. May we see her. Now to just the fact that they go from one place to another. They use your mouth, bring yourself down by yourself. Now be the gallant who you claim. People who are gallant, they're not use and sing. They're not they sing. They're not they make noise. Who get eye and I go know and calculate. Say this one is okay. This one is living well. Not people to come fake out for social media. Not people like that, eh? So people they are on a low key. But if you know deep down inside of them, you will shock. Waiting the caliber of person where they be, you go shock. I get very piri. Where were you gonna see one? Am I error where? You always bring yourself shame and disgrace, even to your parents. That day, that's the thing. Pay me and you can't put your papa for loudspeaker. They question over 20,000 naira where everybody is saying give them. You fool your papa on the long run. Who does that? Who does that? You know your guest says, eh? Where it says sometimes, God forbid, some or more dion. They know they normal finish 100%. Some senior doctor, they get command. Some of them. Why? Why it be like that? What you do? I don't see your younger ones go that foolish. You don't say it with your mouth as precious neck. Your younger ones are not proud of the way you always rubbish yourself. You want to belong somewhere by fire, by force. You want to belong. You can't be on your own. Can't you be on your own and be that gallant you claim you are? Without going below under people and be rubbish every day by day. Who you don't go under where they never beat you. They go beat you, you go back again. They go beat you, go back again. And they do changeability, notice me, attention, they seek cheap attention to yourself. We go bring you more insults. We go bring you more shame and disgrace. You know they think. Where are you? Sometimes you don't need your parents. You still get papa, you still get mama. Lucky you. There are people who don't get papa, get mama. They advise themselves by themselves. You will get papa, mama. You will not feel, even though your mama, your parents are in Africa. As a traveler that you are, they say traveling is part of education. You not feel advise yourself by yourself and sit down and say that money may live in for how long? Poppy here, poppy there, poppy here, poppy there. Ghana people know how to stood their ground and stand by themselves and know what they want. Not like you, where you be saying you don't even know what you want. Agabagebe, now you be. Anywhere below face. Yao. Now if they drive you for here, you don't go here. You don't know where you even belong. You want to fit in somewhere. You just want to belong somewhere. So if you're doing your own, you're not going to survive. Don't you not be saying you cannot make friends with people? That's what I'm saying. You can be friend, you can be, but not the way you are going about it. You always bring shame and disgrace to yourself. Just listen to waiting. More than listen, please help me to thumbs up this video. Mr. Andrew said, don't advise her. She is not worth it. I know, sir. I know. But they pay me. She took the rubbish herself. She no you get self-worth at all. She's worthless. The way she carry herself. Precious Make is so worthless. People that have eyes, they can testify. She's so worthless. She don't even get that, that's how I talk her. dignity, your way person they get. That personality, she don't get her. She's so worthless. And she want to buy, she just want buy, she want to do some show up that is not from her heart. That is not from her heart. She forced herself to do some stuff. Just she loves to displease herself, but please, people that she does not even like. She loves to fake her feelings too much. May God not let me please others to displease myself. I come first before others. I should please myself, then please others alongside. Not the other way around. Eh? She just want that ability that go out of her. That's why they don't see better clothes for your body. Precious man. That's why they see better hair for your body. That mean they talk hair not be achievement. Me for me to carry money to buy. You can get 150 hair. I don't need that. 150 hair, even 50 hair. What do you want to do? 20. It's too much for me. I get this to invest on. But at least 1 or 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hair, 10 hair at most. It's okay. You use something they change look. It's okay. What if I want to get 50 hair for? What if you happen at the Chris? I don't need that. There's so much to invest in. There's so much. Me, my brain, if I like that, my brain they calculate. Investment. Are you okay? Money if work money for you. Money, yes, of course. Money gonna work money for your azar. I don't believe in having no. Count me out. I go for what my need. I mean my want. Not be able say no. I have for you me. But even on 1 or 2 you get, make it do okay. Precious make like to do judgeability, notice me, see me, I am attention seeker. With waiting no come out for your mind. Pretending to be who she is not. Deep down, when she could not do some kind of things finished by judgeability, by public eye. Instead, she'll go to regret the cry. Somebody they ask you, Precious man, since you build house, 2 flats where you build for your papa, your mama, then they forbid if you build journal. I'm just asking. Then they forbid. You go to go through money for party. Then your going say house go to cry, go to broke, go to ask somebody like Frank money. Frank will never get documents, we never they work. Is that not a shame on your part? Eh? Who are you trying to impress? Impress yourself. This life, nobody sent you. Impress yourself. May God not let me impress outsider. Where be saying if I off my video, if I not come at 1 month, they're not going to remember. Now who their life they go remember, say, oh, this one sit there around. I don't understand. Who are you trying to impress, Precious Meg? You come up for the Monica side now. You they do everything by everything. Oh, judgeability. Yeah. They follow everywhere don't first beat you, will also beat you again with baby mama. You want love to go out of your way to prove I too good, whereas that good not reach deep, you not reach deep your heart, you not reach your heart. You are just pretending. You're back, do attention, use attention seeking, take do some kind of things finish. You're gonna regret. The same person you do good for, you're gonna buy bad time for back. You did it. The way you came to order product from me, I know how your math you run 360 degrees. The people who you claim say you love, when you claim say they support, you use math, destroy the finish. When I hear them calling you 100 face, I will just smile. I'll say, wow, that may fit her. Have dignity to protect. Know yourself. When you go talk for person front, talk her for a back. No yawa. When you not let you talk for person front, not talk her for a back. Oh, you not like, talk her for a front, say I don't like you. Talk her for a back, say I don't like her. That's how to know gallant people. Not be when you go leave people, nyash finish for outside. You're gonna kill them for back. It don't make sense. Precious make change. Live your life for you. Be you. Live your life. Stop the pretense. I don't see what I want pretend for. Even though you are paying my bills, to hell with you. Not to talk of, I'm the one paying my bills. Nobody pay my bills. They're waiting to come make me fake one nonsense. I can't put myself for punishment, the fake feeling where I not say it, not me, not there inside of me. Who that person be? Where I want fake my feeling for? It don't bath. That person don't bath. If I like you, I like you. If I don't like you, I don't like you. Simple as ABCD. No two ways about it. Even though you be Alpha and Omega, to hell with you. If I don't like you, I don't care. I don't care. I don't give a F. If the water I see, I go drink out in my dignity that I'm protecting. Who cares? Precious Meg, stop. Start living you. Start being you. There's nothing sweeter than being yourself. There's nothing more sweeter than you living your life and being yourself. Okay? You then put yourself for pain because you fake it so badly. You then hurt yourself, but you don't know. You are not doing yourself any good. This pretend life. I see Susie, they do video which they did not be yesterday. I did kitchen and they listen to her. Now it direct until they throw, give each other. Fine and good. She was saying the same thing, that see how you destroy, and I've experienced it from you. How you destroy people at their back, but you lick their nyash in the public. Stop that lifestyle. Ghana people don't give a F. If they like you, they tell you I like you. If they don't like you, they don't like you. They will let you know. Because why? They're gallant. But your own gallantness, I don't know where they come from. Because you are not bold. You can't be yourself. You can't be real to yourself. You are not keeping it real. You are pretending and suffering yourself. Do you know that pretense is like you're suffering yourself? It's like you are caging yourself. You are limiting yourself. You are lying to yourself. That's what pretense is. Why will you go? Why will you pay such price for another that may not even care about you? That don't even send you deeply. Why will you pay such price? For what? For what? For what? Eh? May I play this voice notes? Somebody says she's too fake. She's very too fake. Very, very too fake. Extremely fake. Extremely too fake. This kind of people, people like Precious Meg, if you get there as friend, run for your life. They will hurt you. They will buy you. Nobody will know what happened to you. Now they will smile past and will laugh with you, past and will go show you love past, but deep down there is danger. Deep down they hate you with passion. If you get person like Precious Meg as friend, somebody with similar character, you don't get friend. You don't get friend. Your life is in danger. They can endanger your life. It's not. That's why this. Look who you've called friends. Look deep down who you are calling friends. Read them like a book, like a manual, so you know the kind of friends you are keeping. Yeah. More listen to Precious Meg's voice. More than listen. Sorry guys, my washing machine is kind of running up in 4 minutes now. So the noise, if they disturb, kind of, but we'll just manage them because it will soon stop. Just remain 4 minutes to stop. I hope when they hear the audio. If they hear, I'm gonna just give me yes. As I play, I'm gonna say yes if they hear. If you're not the year, I make I wait. Remain 3 minutes now to stop. For my washing machine to stop. If you're not the year, if you wait, after 3 minutes, we continue. Please, if you are hearing, just say yes.
Hi people, my lovers. How are you? Yes, so Mommy Pint National.
Can we hear it?
Saying hello to you guys. Now say We will not be undocumented immigrants. We are dope. We are correct.
Imala Victory, thank you. Yo, we are not undocumented immigrants. You are not. You see, this is what I call hypocrisy. Hypocrites. You are not undocumented immigrants, but you could go down low and be having friendship or courtship or whatever we might call it with an undocumented immigrants. You gotta submit yourself to undocumented immigrants. You're not ashamed. Now, when I call expose you, and you could not. One thing is this: how can which woman? 2 minutes. Which woman? Which woman? After everything where Frank Victor don't talk since day before yesterday and yesterday, you cannot come out. Waiting concern your nipple, your bekus, you could not come out to debunk it. You are not for me. We don't respond to undocumented immigrants. We don't want to be. That means it is true. Because bekus and bekus matter. No woman they take am. If they use an lie on you, you must have you must debunk it. If you not debunk it, you gonna form, I don't respond, I don't this, I don't that. Obviously, you are telling us directly that it is the truth. Because you must be able as a lady, if you know you are not guilty, if fact you like when a fair bright lie on me, use the same lie on me, you not see the extra miles I go. I won't do what I never do before. That pain. When I never put my hand before, I go put hand. True bad friend, when you advise me, which I am not proud of, I go carry juju. Because that thing, I use Bible swear, Psalm 109, I use and swear for live video, debunk. I was still like, no. The thing, they pay me for body. Nice, a bad friend advised me, say, I get contact, take. What carry a yelala? I carry her. I spend a whole lot of money to tell Lagos put because I am innocent. It is a lie. Look at it now. Faye Breck is rotting in jail. Rotting in jail. So when you see consent, bekus matter because your private part may be your dignity as a woman. May be your pride. That's what makes you a woman. They're not the form. I'm not gonna respond. Hey, if another matter. Another accusation, you can say, I don't want to respond. It's okay. When it concerns bekus matter, precious Meg, no joke. No joke, oh. There's nothing like I for me, I don't want to respond. I'm too big. Nah, forget big, oh. You're not big when you go into your inbox. Go the WhatsApp and they send that voice. They call her for video call. You're not big. Now, no accusation where me woto come. You are not for me. No. In other words, you are telling us it is true. Say you can stoop so low. Front of all person. You got to open bekus and no info for her. You said they use your matter to talk. Say no bola. You imagine precious make if he get mad come out to come take the whole was in a married man they do the vagara. Hey, married man. Which is not nice. If there's okay now civilization, oh okay, men must get side chick, you must. Which not all women they heartless to take gold that. God no say this man marry, you they follow the wife they share. You can tell us how the man they spend weekend for his house. I ain't the queer hara. I ain't another man, another woman husband. That's how that's the gravity of your shamelessness. Who does that? So even date a married man is wrong. When you know, say you don't know, say the man marry, he get wife. I don't support it. When you don't know, you are not to be blamed. When you know, you are to be blamed. It's not nice. Because they don't go do unto, even though they don't do unto you, don't do unto another person. Even though another woman don't cause you that pain, do your own man, collect her. Not me say me you pay back another person, the same evil, where also hurts you. I'm against it. Shamelessly, because they talk. Another, you are another woman, husband, they go Nigeria, go to the Vaga. Who does that? On the media, where you know that media does not forget. Social media does not forget. Now, precious men go beach, open breast for video. Nipple their side. Who does that? You get children, oh. You get children, oh. Let's listen to the voice now. My washing machine don't stop.
I'm sending greetings to you. I'm in a duty free, trying out. I want to get some makeup and some perfumes.
Is that not what I said? Okay, Noah Benjamin said, Mommy Love, did you see the video? She did. She was confessing. She was confessing, you were trying to say, or confession. That she was in a mission to destroy people. That is why she will go close to them. I say, when I talk at that time, I come better, but they pretend I say that was your friendship. That one no, but that one also Dave kind of very fake for my liking. That is Monica. I say, where this precious may come back product from me? When she talk concerning the same call Monica when she do puppy follow for years. They go because of Monica drag her. She go say, I don't care. Yes, I be the puppy of Monica. I come with the puppy. I be the puppy. I enjoy it. I am in the cage. I enjoy the cage so well. I'm enjoying the cage. I say, when they hear all those ones, I go they watch and say, I'll go to remember what did this girl talk about these people, Monica and Lolo. She hates, especially Monica. She hates that one like mom, like say tomorrow no day. But she was preferring love to her. I was like, when this girl call me, say she want all that, I know words where she used on this Ekobete. When she was professing love for her. I say, well, this life deep, oh. If you and a person don't quarrel before, no let that person near you again for your own safety and for your own good. If you and a person don't quarrel and don't exchange words, even don't settle. From a very far distance, they shout, hello, hi. I told you, I told her I didn't even know why she here. From this side, they say, hello, hi. No trying. Say, that kind of person, you want to carry. Say, after all, we don't settle. You know, call they chop together, they drink together, and everything, buy they hungry you. That's why when me and disgrace will happen. When she apologized, say, we settle. I said it in my heart. And I told somebody that was with me in Benin. I said, we can never be close again. Once I quarrel with somebody, we quarrel, we exchange words. I'm sorry, even though you be my papa pikin, you be my mama pikin, I can never near you again. I can settle for peace sake. I believe in forgiveness. I can settle, I can free my mind for you. Say I don't get any grudges again. But I can never in my life be close with you. Never again. If we never quarrel, halfway. Once there is quarrel, I am done for life. Because I don't see people when they say they don't go 6 feet because of carelessness. I've seen many. I tell you when I say this settlement, I say, it finished on my mind. It's over. We are good. But say maybe, cause they do French. Cause they do, I say, count me out. Me, if she call me, if I feel like I pick. If I don't feel like I will not pick. And it can never be like before. That closeness is cut off. Now casual greeting now. Hello, hey. Before we say no, I said never again. They tell each other, and I said no. Because why? We don't quarrel, we don't argue, we don't talk many things. I said never. Best way saying set CCTV for the truth for me. I wish I know it was a lie anyway. I said never. But she was still wanting the friendship like before. No. She was still wanting the friendship before. Like, oh, come and fight for me. This one, member where run liver. Oh yeah, see the voice, see the screenshots, see the voice record, see the screen recording of their video. Come and help me saga there. I say, me. This now before when I defend you, when they fight for you. Who does that? Who does that? Now when I don't know, say, now so you be now I defend you. No way we don't know. Who does that? I say never. When she see that, me, I know some call. And that, I know the Greek call. If she even call, I know they mostly they pick. When I see say the call not too plenty, I'll come manage pick. I'll say I'm busy. When she come see and say, my way get as it be. I not agree free body again. Where I go free body? Uncle! No. Once me and person quarrel, this, as far as this life what we did so is concerned, except another life we'll come back again, we feel play. This life is concerned, we can play off from a distance, so hello to play get grade. Second day close, never. Even though my mama quarrel with me in a brutal way, I can send you money, I can take care of you. Second, come close to you, freely eat your food, freely attach. No, cancel. Never. Because this life is so deep. Bible says the heart of man is deep and desperately wicked. He said, who can know it? Now let your mind, you know another person mind, and it's something don't enter this body. Every man like golf way. When something don't enter this body, then you know you gonna say this life. You're gonna look and short, the life will come short for your eye. Once something enter body, that's why you must prevent it. For any damage not to come to you by any means, you must protect it. When she say, when disgrace say, me I not the one where she did again. I only settle for peace to. She asked for settlement. I said, okay, fine and good. Forgive, okay, fine. Everything, everywhere good. But not to come be friend. I'ma make where you go. No. They follow person they do amo. Lie. Except we never exchange words. I know they follow person they do. Not even my mama, not even my papa. Don't let her get to that extent we exchange words. Words, get words, strong words. No. I can never. When she say this not there like before again, she begin use this there call better. And up by Kia killing fly chopping it the zaga. She begin use them. When they take them lie. Say when I never hear, I can't arrest her. Now me arrest her. I drag her go court. Court will not go. Now me arrest her. She go twist everything around. But she can't provoke me. Those one foolishly they're gonna use the word when she got there they saga me. That one where they go Nigeria go they attend court. That one where we say they arrest, they spend money, and I mean do the arrest before. She go lie to them. All those one use until they saga me. I was like, really? Really? And she was enjoying it. She was using those people to get at me because I not bring free body for them again. Why I go free my body for you? Why? Where a lot of confession was made. I lied to her for this one. I lied to her for this one. I don't want to contact trust. I don't feel trust you again. Never. Hey. So you see this by the way, you see this precious Meg. People like this. She don't have to mean that when me and disgrace on the ground now, she takes side. This is what she always do. Friend enemy. She go there here, 100 face. She go there here, she go there here. When she call me, when I give her small money, she call me. The same disgrace she they support. They say right on. Yeah, but they were expecting with it. They never, yeah. Wish that one not get anything. That one was just lying. Not get anything about me. Right on. This one, that one. After he had them, he can't call me. When I give her small money, he say, precious Meg, I'm seeing your address is beware. Oh. Don't try me, oh. She won't call me. That night, oh, mommy love my sister. You don't see the hair. I said, you are who? You are my sister. She changed mouth. The same disgrace she they had support like they clap follow. She turned against her on the phone. You can't get people like this and you tell say you get person. No. Some people think they get crowd. There are people, they know people. The people know them. But how many be your own, truly, genuinely? How many friends or people who they keep as your own personal persons, how many truly, genuinely be your own? For your front, they are your own. For your back, they are against you. That's what it is. That is what it is. When we listen to Precious Meg, as she say the rubbish herself, she forget that she's a mother.
Our board. Like they whole land like this. So. Not go there. Inside whole land now, they start airport. You see me? We not.
She said she did all land like this. She did inside airport. Now the video be this. Now video they play. Okay, what we listen?
We know. I want to go share my papers.
She said she did all land like this. She dey ghost share her pekus.